All right, HVAC people head on a no heat call this morning. It's getting very cold down this way. Got it down to 40 degrees last night. It's about 50 degrees right now, so it's freezing. Well, I know a lot of y'all say 40 degrees ain't freezing. Well, it gotta be less than 32 degrees to be freezing. Well, down here, hey, anything lower than 60 degrees, it's freezing down here, folks. But we can do 60, about 55 degrees. So it's 50 degrees here this morning, sunny. That's cold in South Texas, folks. But let's see if we can get these folks some heat. So I got two no heat calls today so far. And I got a drain fan that filled with water. But I don't think we're gonna be using no AC. Buddy supposed to get back up to 80 degrees next week, so they're gonna crank them ACs up. So we probably get a lot of no heat calls today and tomorrow, but next week it's gonna be back warm. So, but let's see if we can get some footage. All right, HVAC, y'all stay tuned. Backing up the Brinks truck. It's a cash cow, folks. Pulling up. Get a cash cow. Get an HVAC. It's a cash cow. I ain't gonna believe this, man. I hear a fire extinguisher from out here. Smoke detector. Chirping away. If I can hear that smoke detector way out here in the driveway, imagine how loud it is on the inside. Hey, good morning. Good morning. All right. You here to take a look at the heater? Yes. All right. See, y'all got portable heat.
Yeah.
Heats up.
They go down.
Yeah. All right. When did it stop? It never turned on when you tried it for the first time?
Yeah,
it ain't do nothing?
And it come out cold.
Okay. All right. We'll check it out then. All right.
Okay. Come on, let's pass those sticks.
All right, so they got space heaters. Check the filter. Filter don't look too bad. Yeah, smoke detector. All right, so they got it set to off right now where it looked like it was on cool mode. So so what I'm gonna do, it's on auto. I was gonna, oh yeah. So I think they just moved in. I would turn it on. Yeah, I'll go ahead and turn it on. Cause the ladder gonna come down this way. Let's see what it do though. So it's set for 80, battery low. So I think that's gonna be a problem. Fan turning on first. So the fan is turning on first. I don't know if y'all can hear, but I hear that fan turn on first. And that igniter should turn on. I'm gonna do some more, sorry. Sound like the fan turned on first, but let's let it do some more loud like that. I gotta go on my next car. Dude said it ain't heating, so he opened it up and something about the pilot. So I got Mr. HVAC tech on my next one. So yeah, that unfortunately I'm gonna have to open this one up. We don't got no glass to see the alarm code. But I can see my inducer mode not. It's not turning on. Fan turning on right away. So turn it off. first. Take a picture of this modern serial number. This is a Rude RGPJ-07, E as in Edward, A as in Alpha, M as in Mary, G as in Green, R as in Robert. All right. I think that igniter might be bad. Got crusted that igniter, look. I'm just speculating, folks. Let's see here. All right, so I'm going to yeah, man, how can you put out that smoke detector like that, folks? So I'm going to turn the power back on. Let's see if I got my door switch here. Pull out the test man. Shout out to test man. Hey, I'll try to leave links in the description below if anybody interested in purchasing this meter right here for the price. It's a good meter. It's a good meter. Okay. All right, let's put my little door switch on here. All right. Up. We're gonna take a look at that thermostat, see why that fan turning on right away. I think it's an auto. But since I just reapplied power, make sure they ain't got no fan jumped out or nothing. Looks like we got a green light right here. I don't see no alarm yet. I don't really don't like the meter though. It ain't got no magnet on here. And hard for me to troubleshoot and show on camera. That's why I hardly use it. Let's see here though. I want to check and see what's actually calling for it. Alright, so I'm gonna go to find my common. So common in red. Got 27. Go to common to W1. So I got 4 votes on common to W1. Let's go to common to fan. Common to fan, we're getting 27. So for some reason, we go to that thermostat. We're getting 4 volts on my heat. Should be getting 27 if it's calling for heat. That's a gas furnace. Make sure it's on gas, not electric. That's the house that got renovated. Look like it. Okay, so fan is on auto. It's on heat mode. Oh, I got it on emergency heat. Let's put it on this heat. There we go. So yeah, I want to make sure this is set up. ain't see no W1 on here. Yeah, so this thing not wired correct. So you got R, you got fan. There's nothing on the heat side over there. They got Y1. So I'm gonna turn the power off, take all these wires out, see how they got wired up. Cause like my heat is right here. Alright. So I was calling for emergency heat earlier. I'm about to show them that. Look at this. Alright, so I'm gonna kill my power. I'm gonna come here and just kind of look. What's what? Okay, my thermostat wire, I got Y1. It's the condenser right here. So I got fan W1 and red. So we don't have a common, just a 4-wire. Look like it, so. Shouldn't need common. So I'm gonna wire that in. To prevent overheating or freezing, install 2 AA alkaline batteries when change. Battery indicator is displayed. Okay, should be number 1 stage. So one thing you do want to look for, folks, just from experience, when you see a house that's renovated, sometimes people that do the renovation don't really know nothing about HVAC, so they'll hook these thermostats up wrong, or they did the renovation during the summertime and didn't test the heat. So yeah, so all it is. I would like to install a common, like a common blue. So I didn't see a blue up there. So this might be spliced. So I see they got a jumper on 1 and 2, so. Stage 1 and 2. Alright. So I'm gonna hook it back up. Like I said, I would like to get that common out. But I'm gonna try it first. Cause I don't. You're gonna Have to have batteries. Okay, so it's in heat mode. All right, let's go try it again. Come on, folks, change battery now. Very important. So I'm gonna have to start adding that to my, not adding to my maintenance, but giving them an option. What y'all think that's worth? I think maybe about $10, $15. We'll use Energizer batteries, 9-volt batteries. We'll change and test your smoke alarms. What y'all charge for that these days? You got some houses got up to 10 smoke detectors. All right, let's see what we got here, folks. Let's see if we're gonna go through a reset. That inducer fan motor still didn't turn on. Should be calling for heat now though. Let's see. Like I said, it seems like they're coming with a splice. I mean, thermostat wire. I don't see no comment up here. Oh yeah, that's a blue right there. Alright. That's kind of weird. That's the on button. Okay, I accidentally hit the on button. Back to auto. So from common, I got that on amps. Those bolts is right there. Common to red, got 24 common, W1. Yeah, so something going on with W1. That's probably why they had it disconnected. Cause I'm going to voltage. Yeah, folks. One thing is I don't really like them auto meters either. I'm gonna go get my meter. Get my fluke meter, but so this thing auto calibrating. I don't think nothing wrong with the meter. It just when I go from common to red, I'm getting 24 volts, and then when I go to common to I'll take that thermostat out the wall. When I go to common to matter of fact, I know what I'm finna do. I'm ready to go here. I got my jumper. I'm gonna jump it out up here and see what happens. Like I think something going on with the thermostat wires, and I ain't really worried about that condenser, you know. Something may be going on with the wire. So we're gonna take the thermostat off. Take this off right here. I'm gonna eliminate the thermostat, and we're gonna jump it out right here. We're gonna go to red and then W1. We can go to red W1 there. Let's see what it do. See if that'll do some turns on. Yep. So something going on with the from the thermostat wire to the thermostat. See if that ignited a little bit too. Yeah, there go the ignite. It worked though. Take that thermostat off the wall and either put a new thermostat on there or see if we got something. That W1 could be touching or something. We shouldn't have no wire touching down there. I'm gonna check continuity on all those wires. Let that run, let it warm up the house a little bit more. I'm already getting warm. I gotta take this jacket off. 57 degrees outside, so we're starting to warm up a little bit. Yeah, this meter cool. I don't know if I like the auto feature part of it though. And these things right here, what I noticed on here. Yeah, I don't like the auto feature part. Yeah, I can tell. Look, guarantee man, something going on, man. Cause they got something. Thermostat, like it's edge and get that wood and that shit right. There go that comma right there. Ain't got much room to play with. I might use brown for comma since I got more room down here. Sometimes people use brown for comma. Yeah, like I said, I don't know if I'm a fan of auto mode though. But it's in auto now. I'm just gonna check continuity on all these wires. It's brown, which we shouldn't be using. Just kind of see if I got a nail or something. So I'm not getting anything in. I want to go to that white though. White. Go to continuity. Let's go here. Okay. So I'm not getting anything. I'm gonna blame it on the thermostat. I'm just gonna say we got a bad thermostat. So I'm gonna change the thermostat out and use this brown for a comment up there. Okay. Cause I don't got enough. You can't pull this down too much farther, and that's the only thing I got to work with on that blue right there. So we'll use these. I'm gonna go to the truck and get another thermostat. All right, folks. So we're gonna go with the thermostat non-programming by Emerson. Some decent thermostat, low budget thermostat. I'm getting warm, folks. So I'm trying to power off. Well, they still kind of. Yeah, I'm finna turn that thermostat off. It's been running 5 minutes, so I think that's gonna be my own issue. But of course, I'm gonna have to close the cabinet up and check it. We'll turn that off. I think that's the only thing wrong. We just don't get no signal. So I don't know if they had that W1 not hooked up for a reason. What? Let's go. Yellow. Use brown for common. Yeah, I got a white for my white one. I mean W1. Heat. All right. So I'm gonna set this to heat. All right. So what I want to do here, remember I was using that brown down there for common. Like I said, I always like to use common whenever I can. Like I say. So here. So stick this brown for the front. Alright, so I got brown and red on common. And then this is my white coming from my contactor at the condenser unit. I'm gonna put a yellow right there. Thermostat wire real dirty, kind of hard to tell what's what. All right, that's good and snug. So got green for the fan. Right, got Y, my W1 heat. All right, and we got red for my 24 volt. Right here, this thing real dusty. All right, folks, here goes nothing. It should be calling for heat. Let's see here. Yeah, so I got my inducer now. So that one rated up bad thermostat. I ran the heat about 10 minutes while we were getting that other thermostat, so it never shut off on anything. So I think we're gonna be good to go, folks. Go blast off, and I'm gonna end this one and go to my next call, Mr. DIY HVAC tech. I don't want to say the pilot went like. So hoping ain't one of them old furnaces. I don't know if he got an igniter like this or a pilot, but I'm gonna go probably shoot a video on that one too. Turn the gas valve. Fan should kick on here. Like I said, I'm just here to fix the problem. They need a maintenance. I usually clean out the vacuum switch and all that, but say that on for another day. Ladies, back people, thanks for watching. This was a thermostat replacement on a no heat call troubleshooting. Y'all stay safe out there. Stay safe and stay warm, folks. So if you down south, stay cool. We're gonna be 80 degrees next week going into Thanksgiving weekend. Well, Thanksgiving, I think we got a high about 80 something degrees. So we out there. Y'all stay safe, man. Y'all hit that like and subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Hit that bell notification. Lights out, lights on, freestyling. We don't have to like wine. Yeah, one chirp before we get up out of here.